For this, you'll need an impact 21, but you'll need a steering wheel puller, a lock plate puller, a T15 and a T30, a ratchet, a few flatheads, a few Phillips, and I brought a pair of pliers to help with the lock ring. And that's all you should need. You can get all this stuff pretty much at any parts store. Alright, so I meant to video this sooner, but you know, stuff happens. And so to take off the airbag and everything on this 91 C4 Corvette, it's 2 T30 Torx around the back here. And then you take the airbag module out. Make sure you have your battery disconnected. And then I took a 21 millimeter to take the nut off of the steering wheel. And now it's time to put the steering wheel puller on and pull this off. And I'll get right back with you. All right. Now we have to get the lock ring off, and then we should be getting pretty close to the ignition cylinder, the way to get it out. Mine's trashed, so most of them get stuck or don't work correctly, so I'm just replacing it out. So I'll be back in a second with the right tool and show you how it works. Alright, so I've got the lock plate tool. You can get it from anywhere advanced. I think it's like 15 bucks. And then all you do is thread it on, put the wing nut down tight, and then it releases this little snap ring. So you take the snap ring out and the plate should come off. Alright, slide that. Out of the way. Ta-da! Next, you'll want to take out the 3 Phillips. One here, one here, one here, and then the hazard button, which is also a Phillips. You want to take off this bracket, which is located at the top right here. It's just 2 screws. Just remember which way they went. As you can see, that top hole there, there's a T15 Torx, which is in my hand. You just get a screwdriver and get it in there, and then boom, it's out. So installation is basically the reversal. I'll try to show that to you real quick. All right, the bolt is in and tight, and now we can use our keys like normal. So get this put back together. Woohoo! All right. Alright, and so once you've got it all back together, back the way you put it, or took it out, you should be able to just put a key in, turn it. My battery's still not hooked up. And then take it out. Nice and useful. And then if you still have VATs, you know, you'll have to go get your key made, but most people just bypass it. It's not too hard. If I get enough requests, I'll do a video of it too. I know this was kind of short and all over the place, but you should get the idea of how to do this. Since I didn't see any other videos here on YouTube about it, really, I just wanted to make a quick one, kind of give people an idea. If you're doing this at all, you should have some mechanical idea of how to take things apart and put it back together. But you know, this just may help somebody who's stuck or doesn't want to start on it till they know kind of where they're getting, what they're getting into. So hope this helps, guys. Thanks.